equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Start by powering off your Asus S5507QA. Gather your tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth. Remove the screws from the back cover. Keep them safe, you'll need them later. Carefully use the spudger to pry open the back cover. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips. Once open, you'll see the internal components. Clean any dust with the microfiber cloth for better airflow. Next, locate the screws holding the LCD cover and bezel. Remove these screws and gently detach the bezel. Inspect for any damage. If everything looks good, proceed to replace the LCD cover. Align it properly and secure it with screws. Now, let's install the new screen. Connect the display cable and ensure it's seated correctly. Replace the screws to secure the screen in place. Before closing, double-check all connections. Finally, reattach the back cover and screws. Power on your device to test the new screen. For a professional diagnosis without obligation, consider our pickup and delivery at your home. Remember, no calls, no travel, and you'll receive a quote before repair. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.